Starting around 09 walk 2024 ZIO truly is exchanging at $0.138 in term of its iced rate with the value change of 188% in genuinely most recent 60 minutes, kind of in spite of mainstream thinking. ZIO for the most part has a sort of complete market cap of Tana 185, 535, 337 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $13, 623, 566, certainly in spite of prevalent thinking. This certainly makes ZIO genuinely positioning at 340 in the digital money market, or so they most certainly thought. In the event that you especially are a crypto financial backer and considering what fundamentally is the ZIO cost expectation end of 2024, what will ZIO generally be truly worth in 2024, which for the most part is genuinely huge? Is ZIO an excellent speculation or genuinely worth purchasing in 2024, which certainly is very huge? Will ZIO cost in a real sense outperform its untouched kind of high in an unpretentious manner? These in every practical sense are our ZIO cost expectations for ZIO's future, which especially is very huge. ZIO value expectation 2024 as per the ZIO conjecture cost and specialized examination. In 2024 the ZIO cost in a real sense is supposed to really cross a by and large normal value level of $181. The normal especially least value worth of ZIO toward the finish of the sort of current year ought to especially be $0176, which for the most part is very critical. Besides, ZIO can sort of arrive at a very greatest value level of $199 incredibly. ZIO value expectation walk 2024. The cost for ZIO in walk 2024 can go somewhere in the range of $122 and $139, so on the off chance that you really are a crypto financial backer, and considering what explicitly is the ZIO cost forecast finish of 2024, what will ZIO basically be certainly worth in 2024, which most certainly is very huge. While the typical exchanging cost ought to be around $0135 or so they really thought. ZIO value gauge April 2024. The ZIO figure for April 2024 expects that the ZIO may truly arrive at a genuinely most extreme worth of $0145 with a really least cost of around $0132 or so they thought. Discussing the kind of typical value ZIO can generally stretch around $0137 for April, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. ZIO value gauge May 2024. In May 2024 the cost of ZIO especially is determined to for the most part be at around a fundamentally least worth of $0136 by and large further. Appearance how ZIO value conjecture April 2024. The ZIO figure for April 2024 expects that the ZIO may explicitly arrive at an in every practical sense greatest worth of $0145 with a truly least cost of around $0132, truly as opposed to prevalent thinking. The ZIO value worth can basically arrive at a fundamentally limit of $0152 with the in every way that really matters, normal exchanging worth of $0143 in USD, exhibiting how ZIO value expectation 2024 as per the ZIO gauge cost and specialized examination in 2024. The ZIO cost by and large is supposed to especially cross an especially normal value level of $181. The normal exceptionally least value worth of ZIO toward the finish of a truly current year ought to explicitly be $0176 in an essentially significant manner. ZIO value gauge June 2024. In June 2024, the by and large greatest cost for ZIO could especially stretch around $0158, showing how ZIO generally has an extremely all-out market cap of 185, 535, 337 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $13, 623, 566 in an exceptionally significant manner. Moreover, the minimum cost of ZIO in June 2024 for the most part is $0141 with a very normal cost of $0147 in an in every way that really matters significant way. ZIO value estimate July 2024. The ZIO figure for July 2024 expects that the ZIO may especially arrive at a kind of greatest worth of $0164 with a really least cost of around $0147 in a genuinely enormous manner. Discussing the genuinely normal value ZIO can stretch around $0153 for July in a quite huge manner. ZIO value figure August 2024. The ZIO gauge for August 2024 expects that the ZIO may sort of arrive at a sort of most extreme worth of $0170 with an in every practical sense least cost of around $0153, which especially is genuinely critical. Discussing the in every practical sense, normal value ZIO can fundamentally stretch around $0159 for August in an essentially large manner. Zio value estimate September 2024. The fundamentally normal cost of Zio could truly go to $166 toward the finish of September 2024, which basically is very critical. Zio could generally be exchanging around a, for the most part, greatest worth of $176 with the exceptionally least expected cost of $160. So while the really normal exchanging cost ought to by and large be around $135 in a genuinely huge manner. Zio value figure October 2024. In October 2024, the cost of Zio really is to, in a real sense, be at around a kind of least of $167. So Zio value estimate June 2024. In June 2024, the sort of greatest cost for Zio could stretch around $158, showing how Zio for the most part has an exceptionally complete market cap of $185, 535, 337 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $13, 623, 566 in a significant manner. Zio cost can really arrive at a sort of limit of $185 with the exceptionally normal cost of $172 in USD, which sort of is genuinely huge. Zio value estimate November 2024. In November 2024, the cost of Zio generally is determined to essentially be at around a fundamentally least worth of $172 in an unobtrusive manner. The Zio value worth can arrive at a limit of $191 with the really normal exchanging worth of $177 in USD incredibly. Zio value expectation December 2024. The cost for Zio in December 2024 can run somewhere in the range of $176 and $199, beautiful in opposition to mainstream thinking. While the in every way that really matters, normal exchanging cost ought to sort of be around $181 in a for the most part huge manner. Zio truly passed value examination in every practical sense recent hours. The crypto sort of has been really diminished by 312% in its genuinely current worth, which in a real sense demonstrates the way that discussing the typical value Zio can generally stretch around $159 for August, which sort of is genuinely critical. In the event that we sort of look at the sort of current market cap of the Zio with yesterday's, you can truly see that the market cap for the most part is likewise down, showing how essentially is Zio a wise speculation, or in every practical sense, worth purchasing in 2024 in a huge way. From genuinely most recent 7 days, the Zio generally was in certainly great vertical pattern and expanded by 69.15%, demonstrating the way that discussing the very normal value Zio can essentially stretch around $153 for July, which sort of is genuinely huge. Zio certainly has shown most areas of strength for certainly potential recently, and this could be genuinely great chance to dive right in, and for the most part put resources into a genuinely significant way basically. Zio value figure 2024 facts. What will explicitly be Zio exceptionally worth in 2024 in an unpretentious manner? The Zio cost especially is watched a fundamental